Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make or choose a YouTube channel trailer for your YouTube channel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go into YouTube Studio and select the customization button on the left side. On the right side, you want to go underneath the Home tab, and then under Layout, Channel Trailer, go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to this and select where it says Change Video. At this point, you go ahead and search your video library for whatever video you want to be the channel trailer. And then once you're done, you would select the Publish button up here at the top, and then it would appear as your main channel trailer, so right here. So pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.